नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम ज़ीरोस ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स किस प्रकार से शॉर्टकट मेथड से नए मेथड से कैसे निकालते हैं उसको देखेंगे। बहुत ही शॉर्टकट है और बहुत ही इजी वे में सारे ज़ीरोस ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स इस मेथड से निकल सकते हैं। तो देखा जाए, और आपको अगर अच्छा लगे तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। ओके, shortcut to find zeros of given polynomials. Question is that find zeros of the quadratic polynomial. What is polynomial here? X square plus 3x plus 2. Also find sum of zeros and product of zeros. So if polynomial is there, is given, then how will you find the zeros? One method is splitting the midterm, and what I am explaining here, this is new method with the help of sum of zeros and product of zeros. Now let alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial. Alpha और beta को हम क्या मान लिए? Zeros of polynomials. By comparing given polynomial with standard form of polynomial. Standard form of polynomial क्या है? ax square plus bx plus c. We get, by comparing this both, what is the coefficient of x square here? A. And what is the coefficient of x square here? 1. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 1. And here coefficient of x is b. Here coefficient of x is 3. So b is equal to 3. And here c is equal to 2. First we write the value of a, b and c by comparing the given polynomial with the help of standard form of polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Now we have to find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros, what is that? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Then here what is value of b? 3. So what we will get here? Minus, then write the value of b, that is 3. Minus 3 by 1, that is equal to minus 3. Again, product of zeros, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Alpha into beta is equal to, what is the value of c? 2. 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. These are written in your book, but the new thing what I am going to explain here, that is difference of zeros. If you will get sum of zeros and difference of zeros, then by elimination method you can find the value of alpha and beta easily. So what is the new method? Difference of zeros. Difference of zeros is alpha minus beta, because alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomials. Therefore alpha minus beta is equal to, this is the new formula, under root b square minus 4ac by a. This formula is discovered by me only. Under root b square minus 4ac by a. Now substitute the value of b, a, c here. B, what is b here? 3. Therefore 3 square minus 4 into a is equal to 1, and 4ac, c is equal to 2, and whole divided by a is 1. Then solve it, that is 3 square 9, and minus 4 into 2, that is minus 8 by 1. Under root 9 minus 8, that is root 1. Root 1, the value of root 1 is equal to 1. Therefore what you will get? Difference of zeros, alpha minus beta is equal to 1. Now from elimination method, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3, and alpha minus beta is equal to, this is 1. Suppose this is first equation, this is second equation. Then by adding, what we will get? Alpha plus alpha. Alpha we will take common, and his coefficient 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 alpha. And here plus beta minus beta, it will become 0. Here minus 3 plus 1. What will you get? Minus 2. Now alpha is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. You will get minus 1. Now substitute the value of alpha in equation 1 or in equation 2. Anyone you will take. Then substitute the value of alpha in equation 1. What will you get? Here minus 1 plus beta. Minus 1 plus beta is equal to minus 3. Now beta is equal to minus 1 will go from left to right, that is minus 3 plus 1, you will get minus 2. The value of beta is equal to minus 2. Hence, alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial, therefore minus 1 and minus 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. So what is new here? New method is that difference of zeros, alpha minus beta is equal to root b square minus 4ac whole divided by a. With this formula, you can easily calculate difference of zeros. If you will get difference of zeros and sum of zeros by elimination method, you can easily find out alpha, the values of alpha and beta. This method is also useful if sum of zeros and product of zeros is given. Let me solve other questions in which only sum of zeros and product of zeros are given. Then with the help of that only, we can find zeros of the given polynomial. What is the question? Suppose question 2, sum of zeros, what is given here? 5 by 6 is 5 by 6, and product of zeros is minus 6 by 6. Then find the zeros of polynomial. With the help of that new formula, you can solve easily. How will you solve this one? Sum of zeros. Let me find, first we will write the alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial. Let alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial. Then sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and what is written here? That is 5 by 6. Now you have to find the value of b here. So what will you do here? This is plus 5. How will you write in this way? Minus 5 by 6. Now here you can say the value of b. The value of b, what is here? Minus 5. And value of a is 6. Again, product of zeros. Product of zeros. That is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. What is that? Minus 6 by 6. Minus 6 by 6. Now, therefore, value of a is equal to 6. Value of a is equal to 6. Value of b is equal to minus 5. Now, how will you find this one? Now you have to find difference of zeros. New method, no? New method. Difference of zeros. That is alpha minus beta is equal to, what is the formula? B square minus 4ac by b square minus 4ac by a. Now under root b, What is b here? Minus 5. That is minus 5 ka whole square minus 4 into what is a here? 6. And what is c here? Minus 6. Whole divided by a. What is a here? 6. What will you get? Minus 5 whole square, that is 25. Here minus minus plus. And here 4 6 are 24. And now 24 into 6. 144. 144 whole divided by 6. That is 169 whole divided by 6. That is 13. Square root of 169, that is 13. 13 by 6. You got the answer? Difference of zeros. Now by elimination method, क्या होगा? Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta. What is that? That is 5 by 6. This is first equation. And alpha minus beta is equal to 13 by 6. Second equation. Now by adding you will get 2 alpha, and here 13 plus 5, 18 by 6, or alpha is equal to 18 by 6 into 2. 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. You will get 3 by 2. Now substitute the value of alpha in equation 1. What will you get? That is 3 by 2 plus beta is equal to 5 by 6. Now beta is equal to 5 by 6. Beta is equal to 5 by 6 minus 3 by 2. What will you get? 5 by 6 minus 3 into 3, 2 into 3. What will you get? 6 common. 5 minus 9. Then what will you get? Minus 4 by 6. Again cancel it. 2 3 is 6. 2 2 is 4. You will get minus 2 by 3. Hence zeros are 3 by 2 and minus 2 by 3. Okay. So new method is difference of zeros. By putting difference of zeros, this formula you will easily solve by elimination method. Now how will you feel? Easy questions, easy method. If you like, then subscribe. Okay, thank you.